Hey guys, Livigno. This is the way to Livigno. A very small tunnel. Weird, but yeah, that's the way to Livigno. And this is the way out. Basically, there is just a hole between these mountains. Ciao Livigno.
In 9,7 Kilometer den Kreisverkehr an der zweiten Ausfahrt auf Via Rasia verlassen.
Just amazing. Livigno. So basically you have two possibilities here to arrive to Livigno: via train from Zurich, or via car that is coming from just via tunnel. You can see it that now. And both ways are very good. With the car you need to pay 50 Swiss francs both way, forward and back, to pass over the tunnel, but it's good. It's going good if you like a little bit of curves, but it's fine. Amazing here. Look at that view. Livigno, amazing. Just parked here. Looks amazing. This is somehow the way back and forward here. It's a church here. Looks very amazing. This is the hotel. Wow. And this is the mountain. Boarding tomorrow. Yes! Just amazing. That's the back side of that's the hotel. And just a few steps. Ski lift for children's and for everybody. Just go up, 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 and down. Children's mountain to go up, upper splits. Everything here on one side. So guys, this is the room here. Kitchen. That's our room here. Very nice. It's big. Cool. Shower. Let's see what is here on the balcony here outside, but I'm assuming not that much. Ah, it's okay. Church. Cool. Livigno by night. All dry. This guy, they're playing curling. Amazing. So we found as well a charging station here in Livigno. It's charging. It's only with 110. It's now with 95 kilowatt. It's good. It's charging. So guys, we are up in the mountains. Ready. Look at that. having another walk here in Livigno. Basically, yeah, very nice. So everything is tax-free here in Livigno, and if you need to buy some ski material, clothes, everything, I think it's a good price here, really. Just I'm looking now for a new helm, and well, it's sold out, I think, the Salomon. And but yeah, otherwise, if you need some ski material here, very, very cheap. Well, not cheap, but less than in other ski regions. Amazing. Everybody's now out, après ski, looking for some Aperol Spritz. This is the shopping street here in Livigno. Everywhere stores. I don't know if the vision is good with this night now. It's amazing here. It's very long. So you can have, I think, around 2 kilometers walk here in Livigno, and just walking. It's amazing. Everywhere stores. You can buy everything here. Very fast car. Is amazing, really. The colors, really, it's so comfy as well. The complete helm, so comfy to turn it on, turn it back. It's really amazing. We got it here. Amy somewhere here, taking some sun. Let's have another ride, freehand now, with the camera like this. Let's try it out. Wow! It was sliding down. carbonara. So ending here the vlog from Livigno was amazing. Just amazing. Amy, how was it? Thumbs up or down? Good. Like always, minimalistic, Amy. Thumbs up. Catch you in the next one.